December 14, 3 o'clock. So I'm having the transmission fluid change, and Adrian made a mistake. The transmission fluid is all over the place. So this is the color, it's no longer pink, and it has a burnt smell to it. And this is the transmission fluid we're going to use. That's let me just see. Well, it's kind of hard to see. I'll go on the other side. So that's the transmission, and yeah, we're just waiting for all of the fluid to come out. So Adrian is cleaning the filter because it's full of debris. These are the metal from the pan. So the car is bought Q4 of 2017, and now we're at Q4 of 2025, so that's how long the car has been used. The odometer of this vehicle is 120,000 kilometers, so that's the how far it traveled. So if your vehicle VIOS is traveled 120,000 kilometers, I would suggest that you begin to think about replacing the transmission fluid. So gasoline is being used to clean the filter, and there's a lot of debris there, bits and pieces of metal. That's black. So the filter is cleaned. It was full of crud. So clean filter looks like this. When it wasn't clean, it was there were a lot of debris on the face of the filter. So the transmission fluid is changed. Now it's time for the oil to be changed. Basically, I went over just the reason why I went over is I hardly use the car. However, in theory, they should be changed as needed. So the oil is black, and yeah, it's one of those things that one should do proper maintenance for the vehicle to last. So this is the oil, and it's really black and smell burnt. This is the filter. It's really dirty. So that's I think I used the car for 6 months. I went over the I used it for 6 months, I think 8 months. So this is what the oil looked like after 8 months of use. I don't know what the odometer is, so I should stick to 6 months so that it doesn't look like this. Yeah, I went over. That's how it is. Thanks for watching.